So that's it. That's exactly how it came. Well, it's pretty taped up. Oh, there's your sticker, made in China. I'm on a budget, man. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. You know, $800,000-900,000 for a stainless 2-in-1 exhaust. Yeah, that's almost a third of the price I paid for the motorcycle to begin with. So I won't be going down that route. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. It took me a lot longer to unpackage it than I was thinking it would. This thing was massively wrapped up with bubble wrap and packaging tape. But to be honest, my first impressions on this thing, I'm highly impressed. You know, I mean, it's full stainless steel. It's not thin material at all. You know, now any metal, it's gonna be hard to tell the exact composition of it. You know, it could be cheaper stainless. We'll see. You know, if it starts to rust here and there, then we'll know that there's, you know, it's not good quality. But you know, they're good expansions on your mount. So you have a 2-in-1. They slide together pretty easy, just like this. It comes with the springs, stainless steel springs. The spring clips on the back to hold it together. And then this muffler, highly impressed with this muffler. It's heavy. It has a nice baffle, aluminum cut baffle on the end, and I can just tell if you look through it. I don't know if you can see through there or not, but all it is a straight through, you know, glass pack muffler. So it has your cone material shoved inside, so it's a straight pass through. And as you can see right here, this fits together, I mean, perfectly. The stainless steel bracket. This looks a little thin, you know, for the weight of this muffler. First impressions, this bracket, I can already tell you, is gonna have to be reinforced or a new bracket made, which that's probably what I'll do. It's not too hard. I'm kind of pretty experienced in doing that, so that's easy peasy. That was the only complaint I heard about these, this exhaust, is that the brackets were, you know, kind of thin, a little bit on the thinner side, and broke a couple times on some people. Other than that, I mean, no complaints, man. They unpackaged great. It's a stainless steel 2-in-1 exhaust. I think it looks awesome. What do you think, buddy?
It's awesome. It's heavy.
Yeah, pretty heavy. You want to install it?
You want?
Yeah, how about you install it and I'll watch? I'm just kidding, you help me with it. All right, we're gonna get this thing installed. We'll get you set up on the camera so I can watch it go on. So, see how this is going to sit. Let's see if you can get these rear nuts on. Flaps got on snug. Kind of see how they're gonna land. Right under the mid control. So next is the collector, and then the muffler. All right, so we got it pretty much rough installed. I got my boy here tightening up the nuts in the back because definitely need to be redesigned on this. You can see this mount. They used Allen heads and it's right on the brake master cylinder. And unfortunately the threaded dog bone they gave us for the back of the muffler is metric. So it wouldn't accept any, so I don't have a standard dog bone. So, but this mount, like I said before, you know, I noticed the mount's a little thin. I can definitely foresee myself in the future having to fab a new mount up for the thing. But you know, like I said, 320 bucks, we got it. We're gonna run it. The whole engine on Dynas are rubber mounted, if you don't know that. So the exhaust is mounted to the engine. So it's all mounted to itself, rubber mounted. So there shouldn't be a lot of vibration on this exhaust system. So, you know, we might get lucky, it might hang on. If it doesn't, we'll make a new one. But as of right now, it's going and it's looking good. What do you think, Memphis?
It's awesome.
All right, we're gonna install our clips. The best thing to do is with these hose pullers. Makes it a lot easier. Hose pliers, I guess they're called. All right guys, we got the mount on and the muffler. It's all pieced together, pretty easy. The best thing to do when it's all assembled like this, before you crank your head bolts down, you wanna make sure that nothing's touching and kind of get it positioned, if you need to, in the best spot, and then tighten it down. Everything tightens together. Make sure you got clearance on everything. All right, so we got the bike outside. Just got this Danmoto Highwayman 2-in-1 exhaust on, stainless. It came out awesome. Now I've already put 100 miles on the bike and tuned it out. So I'm gonna fire it up and let you guys listen to it and then give you my 100-mile review on it. So there it is, the Danmoto Highwayman 2-in-1 exhaust. That was a little idle. Hopefully you guys were able to hear it a little bit. I kind of almost stuck the microphone in the pipe at one point just to get the sound good. But on the road it sounds awesome. It has that kind of low performance kind of muffler sound. It's not like cracky or loud or breaking up by any means, but there is about 100 miles on the bike. So the stainless steel, it did turn gold, which I personally like. It matches the whole theme of the bike, I think. So if you're not into the gold performance looking pipe thing, you know, they do offer a black powder coated option. I ride it pretty hard and the carburetor's tuned, so I don't think there's any preventing you know, the stainless steel from turning gold. But I'll give you one more look at it. So there it is. That's the review on the Danmoto Highwayman 2-in-1 full stainless steel. I would buy it again in a heartbeat. I would recommend it to anybody. It's ran good. The mount still looks awesome on it. Awesome exhaust for 320 bucks. I'll put the link for the product down below in the description. Like I said, highly recommend this exhaust, and you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna do a future video of, I'm gonna get a microphone rigged up on the back and actually get some road reviews on it in about another couple 100 miles maybe. So you guys stay tuned and keep an eye out for that video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.